Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. As you can see, we got the General HP-40W. This is for a tune-up today for Ryan in New York. Okay, Ryan, got the power on low. You got a switch in the back, shuts the amplifier off. So we got that off right now. And in low, so double low. Audio. You see that just barely bumps up to about a quarter watt or so. And then on high power, it goes up to 2 watts. Peak power, 50 watt slug. Be reading in the middle scale there. Audio. It's about 22 or so. Alright. And now I'm going to... It's a little confusing. Throw the switch up and put that back on low again. And it gives us 4 watts on low. And now I'm going to put this in 100 watts on the top because I'm going to be looking to get 40 right there. Here's the 4, here's the 40. Okay. Now peak power on the 40. I'm going to need a bigger slug. This is my 250. And we're looking for it to be just over 100. Here's 100. Here's 150. 125 is that little line. Will be just above that, I think. Audio. Check, check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check. 1, 2. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. So now that's with the high power, both up. And that's it. Take it and put it on the air. How about a 19? I got a radio check. I appreciate it, gentlemen. Y'all have a fine day.